Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve notifications on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve notifications on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Facebook and you can click in this page. As you see here in this page. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.